Today I'm at Tyler Hill, which is just outside Canterbury. It's in the parish of Hackington, and I'm going to be walking a 5-mile circular route from here to Broadoak-ish, and following it around. So, haven't been out for a while. It's my first walk for ages, but I'm going to enjoy this. I'll try a few new toys I got. I hope it's right where I'm going. I think it is. So let's see how this goes. It's nice to be out. This is Honey Woods. I've got to walk about 600 metres down this way, and then take a sharp right, then head southeast towards Broadoak. It's a nice day today, a bit nippy, it's dry and the sun's out. I've had so much rain just recently. Oh, I expected this to be muddy here, but it's not. Right, coming to the end of the wooded part. Take a sharp right up here. Down here, I think. Quite warm now. It's quite chilly earlier. Not complaining though. Yeah, as you've probably noticed by now, I've got a new toy. Yeah, after a lot of deliberating, bought the DJI Neo. Wasn't sure whether to get it or not. Like the idea of it, but then I thought with my hip, I don't get out very much. I'm never going to use it. Then I saw Outdoor Matt's video, and it looked quite cool. And it has my hips getting better at the moment. Thought sod it, go for it. So I bought it. So far I'm quite impressed. Obviously the picture quality is not as good as the Mini 2, but I don't mind. I mean, just for social media, innit? So I've had worse, believe me, I've had worse. Yeah, and follow me is quite good. So keep that with you and follow exactly the way you turn and stuff. So, not had any crashes yet, but there again, this is my first outing, so early days. Right, we're off down this way. So what now, to take the coat off. Yeah, a bit of a hill at the climb. used to it. Right, going that way. Since 2015, every year me and Steve, Victor Minute Spores, we go out and do a walk around Kent somewhere. Obviously this year I couldn't do it because of my hip. And hopefully next year we can do it again. Right. Oh, I'm not sure where I am. I'm nearly in the Broadoak now, I think. Up here. Yeah, it looks familiar. Right. I remember once, back in the early 2000s, mid-2000s, 2005, something like that, I did a walk along here through an apple orchard. It was in about July's time. I was walking through. I had a dog with me at the time. And so my eye caught me. I turned around and in the middle of the orchard there's this couple getting it on, and he was going the clappers, he was. I felt embarrassed. They didn't see me, but I felt embarrassed. I was trying to get out of the way before they turned around and noticed me, but yeah. Al fresco 6. Oh well, each to their own. Yep, so it's this road here, and we turn left. This is Maiden Lane, I believe. Yep, and up there is Broadoak, and we're going down. How much better to get across this? Scratched up. Totally scratched up again. Brambles, overgrown. On the right route. There's a lot of detours on this route. Right, I think I've got to turn right here. It takes me to Coles Wood. I should have gone the other way and up, but there's a detour. I couldn't get down there. Tried to get through, but I couldn't, so just come all around. So yeah, up here. Just never know what obstacles are going to be in the way on your walks. But I'm enjoying it still. Done 2 hours 5 minutes walking and 3.75 miles. So not been the fastest, but it's not a race. Right, there we go, into these woods. Right, no obstacle. Let me get under this one. Ouch, ow. 4.32 miles, so it's only supposed to be a 5-mile walk. There's still another couple of miles to go yet, so I don't know where I've gone wrong. I know I did a bit of a detour up there, but I'll take it my watch, takes into account putting the tripod down and walking to and fro. But extra couple of miles. Oh, well. Feeling right though, hips fine. Right, still this way. Well, that's 5 miles. Still got a way to go. Feeling a bit tight, muscle tightness in my calves, but my hips fine. This is all good, isn't it? So, obviously, the calf muscles, I haven't used them for ages, not for long walks or anything. So, it's understandable that they ache a bit. Look at the midges. Only loads of them. I don't know if you can see them. It's probably not, but there's hundreds of them. Oh. See them now? Probably not, but they're everywhere. Oh. Yeah, there's another mile and a half, I think, to go. So, oh well. Just did a direction track with the drone. Did it on close, hoping it'd stay close to my face, but no. Went too far back and hit a tree. Crashed. It's alright though, I think. So, All a bit of fun, isn't it, hey? Right. 2 hours, 50 minutes been walking. Getting near the end now. Right. I'll finish the walk, guys. 6.25 miles in the end. Yeah, quite pleased with the DJI Neo. So I'll take it out in the future. Hope you enjoyed it. It's good to be out again. Hopefully catch you on the next one. Bye for now.